Hey guys, welcome to Freshers Camp. So we are back with another part of area part 3. But before moving on to the questions, let me tell you about our channel. We provide regular updates on government jobs, technical, non-technical, and all other type of job opportunities, as well as preparation material for campus placements and government jobs. Do not forget to subscribe the channel for regular updates. Please like the video and leave your queries in the comment section below. So this was the homework problem given in area part 2. A rectangular park 60-meter long and 40-meter wide has two concrete crossroads running in the middle of the park, and rest of the park has been used as a lawn. If the area of the lawn is 2109 square meter, then what is the width of the road? So we know that rectangular park consists of 60-meter long and 40-meter wide. So we can calculate the area, which is length into breadth. So that is 2400 meter square. And we know that area of the lawn is 2109. So what we'll do is, for calculating the area of crossroad, we'll simply subtract the area of park from area of lawn. So area of crossroads here is 2400 minus 2109 meter square. So your answer is 291 meter square. Now you'll consider the width of the road to be x meter. Okay, once you consider it that it is x meter, so you'll take it as 60x plus 40x minus x square equals to 291. Now why this thing came here? So because we have to calculate the area of the road, the width of the road. So we just put x and 60x plus 40x minus x square, and we put it equals to 291, which is the area of crossroads. So once you solve this, so you'll get something as like this. So x equals to 97 and x equals to 3. There are two answers. So here we have assumed that x equals to 3 would be correct, because width of the crossroad is asked. So moving on to further questions. Now we'll deal with more questions, and these are the all type of questions which we have covered that you will face in any aptitude exam. So moving on to another questions of part 3. So see, these questions which we have covered or which we will be covering are the only type of questions that you can face in any aptitude exam. So just focus on the questions, and you can always talk about your queries in the comment section. This is the next question. The diagonal of the floor of a rectangular closet is 712 feet. The shorter side of the closet is 412 feet. What is the area of the closet in square feet? Yeah, so for the solution, let's see that in the question it was given. Yeah, you have two values, right? So you will just write it like 15 square minus 92 square so that you can get the other side. Let me remind you one thing, that this are in under root, but we cannot mark under root here. There is no option like that such, but this thing is an under root, and this also and this also. After solving this, you get the answer as 6 feet. Yeah, this is an under root, and this as well. So after solving this, you can calculate the area of closet, which is 6 feet into 4.5 square feet, so which will be equals to 27 square feet. So moving on, a man walked diagonally across a square lot. Approximately what was the person saved by not walking along the edges? So we'll just consider a square here. Let ABCD be the square, and side of the square would be x meters. So AB plus BC would be 2x and AC would be 2x, so which will be equals to 1.14x meter. Yeah. So saving on 2x meters, that means you will subtract 2 from here and you will get it as 0.59x meter. Now you will calculate easily the saving percent by percentage 0.59x meter divided by 2x into 100%, that is equals to 30% of this approx. The diagonal of a rectangle is 41 centimeter and its area is 20 square centimeter. The parameter of the rectangle must be, so we know that length square plus breadth square equals to 41 because diagonal is already given, and length into breadth is 20 because area is in the question 20. Talking about a rectangle, I hope you already have learned the formulas which was explained in area part first. So area of a rectangle is length into breadth. So that's why length into breadth equals to 20. So once you do it, you will just take the square of this. Yeah, so it will be equals to you. I hope you know the formula for a plus b square. That is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So you'll simply solve this thing and you'll get length plus breadth equals to 9. The parameter formula, you know that it is 2 into length plus breadth, which is, once you put all the values in it, so you'll get it as 18 centimeter because length plus breadth along both length plus breadth is 9. So you will just simply multiply 2 by 9, which is 18 centimeter. What is the least number of square tiles required to pave the floor of a room? 15 meter 17 centimeter long and 9 meter 2 centimeter broad. So length of the largest tile, that is HCF of 1517 centimeter and 902 centimeter, that is 41 centimeter, and area of each tile are of square, so that is why we have multiplied 41 into 41 two times. So required number of tiles would be 1517 into 902 divided by the area, and that is equals to 814. This is your answer, that is option A. So that's a wrap up for the topic of area, and do not forget to subscribe the channel for regular updates. Please like the video and leave your queries in the comment section below. Thank you.